Hi all, welcome you all to the lecture series of Artificial Intelligence. This is SWETHA, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning at RMDEC Engineering College. And today we are going to see about the list in Python. Okay, already we know we are doing the things in Google Colab, right? So yes, I'll just open Google Colab. Yes, here it is. Okay, right. So yes, coming to a list, creating a list in Python, it's very simple, right? A list is a collection of items, or we can say it's a collection of elements also, which can be any of one type. Okay, so that means a number, strings, or even other list and all, and we can say that lists are ordered. Okay, and also the one important thing over here is it's an mutable. Okay, you know what is mutable. Okay, so yes, mutable means we can able to change the values what we have given in your list. Okay, and they are indexed from the 0. That means the starting point of indexing is it will be starting from 0. Okay, yes. So we'll see how to create a list in Python. Yes, you will have to create a list using the square brackets. Okay, so yes, what I'm doing is I'm just creating one list equal to, within square bracket I'm just going to give the numbers. Okay, yes. So shall I run this? Yes, here print of list. Yes, so whatever the things I have given here, it has been printed as a list. Okay, so yes, what I have said is it's in collection of item, right? So you can also mix the data types, right? So yes, yes, list 2, we can name it as in list 1. Yes, here list 1. Okay, so list 2 equal to 1 comma 2 comma a comma b. Okay, so while giving the string you have to give within the double quotes. You can see the difference, right? If you are not going to give this in double quotes, means it will be giving the red marks, right? If you are giving that in double quotes, means it's not giving any red marks and all. Okay, so yes, so yes, you can able to include float variable, float, and then float data type, as well as boolean data type also. For example, if you are going to declare boolean, means it's not required to give within the double quotes and all, right? Yes, so what I am doing here is print of list 2, print of list 2. Okay, yes. So yes, can you able to see this? So what and all the things I have given over there, it has been printed, right? So this is how you are just creating the list. Okay, so this is the basic thing about the list. So list 1 is equal to, within the square bracket, what and all the things you want you can able to give. Okay, and then you can able to give the mix of data types. That means like boolean, integer, string, as well as float values and all. Okay, yes, thank you.